hit that next target. And I'd mentioned OLN Corporation here as an objective short trade entry and or dollar cost average here off this beautiful rising wedge bearish pattern here. Really the primary trend line was really hidden in between this reactionary high and the beautiful reactionary lows all across the board here. Plenty of reaction, put in beautiful diversion high, had negative and bearish divergences really constructed in all three indicators, had that crossover, confirmed the crossover in both the MACD and oscillator, and we have officially starting to leak down below their zero lines here, catching this beautiful right shoulder. I had mentioned I had seen this shoulder here, head, here's your head, and here's your right shoulder. And look at the velocity of this drop. There is nowhere near on a multi-year base here where you've seen anything like that, that kind of a drop there. I mean, since COVID here. So just a massive drop here, big drop off this huge diversion high. And I cannot stress this enough. Good 424% crash here. I cannot stress how big these divergences we're getting, and the bigger the divergences, usually the bigger the drop here. Really off, you can see it really off the weekly here. Look at that candle. That candle, it really just doesn't even represent anything remotely close since going back to that COVID crash of 2020. But these divergences just continued to construct on all three indicators here, and that's exactly what had to happen. Again, just a huge drop here, and I will not be surprised if we go to gun and test this neckline and just completely take it out, because now coinciding with that 53.25 price support, we have snapped this 50 weekly moving average now. Zooming here on the daily interval, back on the daily interval, could see a little bit minor reaction here, but once we take out this this trend line here, once we take out the neckline of this head and shoulder here, which is really around that 46.56, anything below that 46.56 will be a really big drop in my opinion, if not giving us another sell signal. That's what this is going to do. You got a big air pocket here too, but that's going to give you that next sell signal. A solid break below that 56.56 price support, especially if you're gunning for the home run. If you're going for the home run, sit tight, you know, maybe gain a little bit of a bounce. If we even get a bounce and a break of that 46.56, I would put in the next secondary sell signal, in my opinion, especially with huge volume at price around this range. That's when there'll start to be a big rush for the exits, in my opinion, off a huge sell signal below that $46 price support. So we'll see how it plays out. I'll keep you updated. If I see anything snap below this neckline, I'll let you know. And again, any significant developments, I'll keep you updated. Hit that like, subscribe button if you enjoyed the video.